Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone, media and alarm volume panels. You can change the volumes by swap these dots to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also here we got the silent mode section. We can just enable or disable the silent mode by tap once on the switcher. Also we can enable or disable the vibration in silent mode. Here we can set up the don't disturb mode. Also this device, this HUAWEI, get the 2 SIM slots, so we can use 2 SIM cards at the same moment, and just to hear the difference which SIM card is calling, you can just here select the different ringtone tones. So as can you see, we can get the two the same at the same time, but you can just change them to those different tones. And also we got here the vibration with these SIM cards. Here we got the notification sound, we can change that. Also go to the more settings, and here as can you see, we can just enable the dial pad tones. So we got now the default one, and if we'll go here, you can hear the dial pad sound. We can just turn it off again, or we can just set the other melody. Here we got also the screen lock, the screenshot sound, and screen touches, vibration on touch, power on sound. So we can just enable or disable all of these options just by tap once on the each of switchers. And that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.